Not today. Hey y'all. So I just tried to Twitch. Ain't twitching. I'm on my kid's fucking hotspot today. And the rest of the week. Uh, I done fucked myself. Went to a festival on a Sunday, the only day I never leave the fucking house because there's no possible way to sell glass. But had fun. And me and Polly made it home. Look, she's smoking marijuana. Oh nope, she's smoking smoking a bowl or a cigarette.
I smoke marijuana.
Here, I got one pack. We're having a good time. Moving water. Videos to come, I'm sure. Anyway, yeah, I'm broke. We barely made it home, and don't have internet or my phone service, so I can't do my hotspot either. So that's just the way it is, and that's the way it's gonna be all week, I guess. And Polly's helping me do some research on magnet chain and healing with magnets, all that good stuff. We got the glitter water going on thanks to Conspiracy Daddy's good idea.
And you wouldn't believe the torture devices down here.
Yep. Yeah, I've had Polly tied up all week. I just let her go upstairs and go poop. She
I
was
provided the rope.
Yeah, she had the rope. I figured she wanted me to use it.
We put it to good use, Shell.
Anyway, I'm gonna work all day and go sell some glass later this week. Hopefully, we'll have some internet. We're working on a plan. I think there might be a major transition here, not only on this channel but in my life.
We're taking our show on the road.
Yeah. It may be a caravan. I don't know. We're gonna put this out here officially. We'll draw it up, and I think we're gonna do a GoFundMe because like she said, the show needs to go on the road. People need to learn how to heal. We're gonna ask people if you want to help. And
we need some assistance in our research.
Yeah. This is the biggest thing that's hit humanity. Nobody's doing anything about it, as usual. I'm gonna have to take it upon myself to fucking do something about this shit, one way or another. Anyway, updates coming.
Updates are coming.
And yeah, stay calm, y'all. Much love.